Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. I am welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders, and those already supported to join my channel more than 500 subscribers. That is, we are reaching a milestone of 500 subscribers, and I'm thanking to you all. Because of you only this was possible. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update about intraday and positional trading strategies. So this video I'm going to explain you the candlesticks pattern. So this is not about a single video. We can learn most important candlesticks pattern in this category of videos. So what I'm going to do here, almost we are in the home for a next till April 14th. So I have a lot of time, so I make the time as useful to you as well as me. So that's why I planned to teach you something about the candlesticks patterns. So anyone can use the powerful how to use the candlesticks pattern as a powerful manner to make a regular and consistent profit in the market. So that the thing I'm planned for this next 14 days. So you will be getting lot of things on this group of videos. So anyone who not yet subscribe my channel, kindly make subscribe, and if you like this video, like and share to your friends. If you have any other questions or doubts, you can comment on this video, and I hope this activity may be useful to you all. And because we have a lot of time to listen and learn, and we can earn also. Okay, so that is the idea which I going to do here. And those who already subscribed and those who are supporting me, so I was thankful to you all. And here I am going to update lot of videos about candlesticks reversal candlesticks patterns. So how we effectively use the candlesticks pattern, so that I'm going to explain in this videos, and in the coming videos also you'll get a lot of candlesticks pattern. So the candlesticks pattern, from the basic onwards we can go through the candlesticks pattern. So here my topic which I take: can anyone trade the market and profit just by applying a candlestick chart analysis? That is my main question. And also I am going to tell you the answer for these questions. And only one question which I take: can anyone trade the market and profit just by applying a candlestick analysis? This is my question, and my answer for this same is yes, we can do, and we can make profit just applying by the candlestick charts. That the thing we are going to discuss on our next videos. And this video also we are going to learn something: what is the candlesticks pattern and what important about the candlesticks pattern. Okay, so before that, let's discuss about candlesticks pattern. First of all, what is candlesticks pattern and what are the important things we have to understand or we want to know. So because we have a lot of free time, so that's why I taken this thing. So maybe it is useful for candlesticks, useful for you, and you can comment whether if it is useful, so we can do more on that same, and we can go further about in details in the candlesticks pattern. The candlesticks pattern is nothing but the Japanese used about the candlesticks to read the price actions. So based on the price action, so they are doing using a candlesticks, they can easily understand whether how the market is reacting. So that type of way we can also analyze the trend of the market, trend of the stock or index, whatever. So we have to clearly understand candlestick chart, and most of the people are using the candlestick chart. They are using different in ways. They are using, someone use some method, so each and everyone is different. But as of now, so I'm going to tell you the most way people are using the candlesticks pattern in this particular videos. Okay, so there will be a candlesticks patterns, not only in a single candle or double candle or triple candle, lot of candlesticks patterns available. So how they are classified: there will be a candlesticks patterns, they are classified into 3-4 categories. So main categories, and the importance for the candlesticks, so we are using for, so first thing, single candle patterns. So single candle patterns is like doji, so very powerful candle, and hammer, inverted hammer. So I am talking about less things only here, and each and every one we can see more. Doji, hammer, inverted hammer, and shooting star, like that, lot of single candlesticks pattern, and double candlesticks pattern also there, double candlesticks. So combined with the two candles, so double candlesticks patterns. What are the patterns? So lot of patterns is the double candlesticks. So we can use, I'll tell you that spinning top, sorry, these are the spinning top is a single candlesticks pattern. Double candlesticks pattern is uh, what is that? um, Double candlesticks, lot of double candlesticks pattern is a bullish engulfing, so bearish engulfing patterns, engulfing of candlesticks pattern, and pricing line, trusting line. So lot of thing is there. So here I'm telling you a few things, and we will discuss about each one, every one, with the examples and how to apply each and everything we can use it. Okay, and bullish arami, bearish engulfing, dark cloud cover. So a lot of thing is double candle, and triple candlesticks pattern, triple candle. So using three candles we are finding out the opportunity. So one or two, three candles, like so first candle is a single candle, doji and hammer, double candle bullish engulfing piercing line, and triple candlesticks pattern. We can use somewhere doji star at bottom, abundant baby bottom, three rising. These are the candles, doji star at bottom, so at top or bottom. So using three triple candlestick, three black covers. I think we are already seen on our previous videos this thing, three black soldiers, cover crows and soldiers. So a lot of the thing is there, and four candle patterns. So there is multiple candlesticks pattern, not fourth candle. So multiple another one is multiple candlestick pattern, multiple. So here there is an example of ladder bottom, tweezer bottom. So we can use for a multiple candlesticks pattern. Okay, so these are the basic types of candlesticks pattern: single candlestick pattern, double candlestick pattern, triple candlestick pattern, and multiple candlesticks pattern. So we have this kind of candlesticks patterns. Using these candlesticks patterns, what we are going to do that? Using candlesticks pattern, what we are going to do? That is important question. So the single candlestick pattern, or double candlestick pattern, or triple or even multiple candlestick pattern. After knowing that, what is the use? Okay, so using this candlesticks pattern, we can use the candlesticks pattern only in two ways. One is reversal and continuation. This is the main important things about this candlesticks pattern. One is reversal, so that is important thing, the reversal of the trend. So using this candlesticks pattern, we can find out there will be a reversal in the market. So that is one part. So using this kind of patterns, we are finding out the reversal. And second thing is continuation of the trend. So these two things only we are using this kind of candlesticks patterns. So either we are going to find out the reversal in the market, or we are going to find out there will be a continuation of the trend. So either it may be uptrend, or either it may be a downtrend. So if the stock is reversing, so that is from, if the stock is falling down or it's going on downtrend, so we are finding out the reversal, that is it started going up. So that thing we are using the pattern. Or if the stock is keep on going down, so whether it continued trend, or it going to reverse. So these two things are very important. Based on the candlesticks pattern, we are going to find out whether the stock is going to reverse, or it can go, it going to be continue. So these are the things which we can using the candlesticks pattern, we can analyze, or we can understand what should be happened. So the reversal and continuations. So reversal should be used for a downtrend. So for example, stock is falling down and we are finding the reversal. So where the reversal happened, using the candlestick pattern, we are going to find out the reversal. If it was continuation, so how we are going to find out the continuation? If the market is going down, so it little bit flat, so whether it can goes for a continuation of the trend. So that is the important factor. We are using the candlesticks pattern. We are going to understand or analyze the market. So a lot of things is there, and again repeat you, the candlestick pattern is a more powerful thing which we can apply for a market, and we can find out the stocks to find out. The single candlesticks pattern is like a doji and a hammer, and lot of thing is there. Doji is a doji itself, it having four kind of doji, so that everything we can see on next videos with the examples and how to use everything we can see. And double candlesticks pattern is like bullish engulfing, piercing line, bearish engulfing, so like thursday line. So the lot of thing is that. And triple candlesticks pattern is doji star at bottom or doji star at top, three black cloud covers. So lot of thing is there here also. And multiple candlestick pattern also we can see. So using the candlestick pattern, we are going to find out only two things, whether the continuation of the trend or reversal of the trend. So we are using, and a lot of pattern is there. Using the pattern, we are going to find out the continuation of the trend or reversal in the trend. So this is the thing which basics about candlesticks pattern here. So from here onwards, we can go for a next studies from single candle pattern and double candle pattern and triple candle pattern. So how we can effectively use on the stocks, everything we can go and we can see. That's about this video. We can see on our next video. Hope this may be useful to you all. Kindly make subscribe the channel if you are new to my YouTube channel, and share to your friends if you like this video, and comment on if you have any doubt. And anyone who want to open a trading account with me, so I have provided the link for my YouTube description. You follow the link and get open an account with me. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you for your support. Thank you very much.